let's now move into Padmasana.
Asanam dvividham proktam padmam vajrasanam tatha urdhvorupari chedhatte ubhe padatale yatha padmasanam bhavedetat sarva papa pranashanam.
Bring in the hands crossed as you hold the opposite toes into Padmasana 4.
उत्तानौ चरणौ कृत्वा ऊरु संस्थौ प्रयत्नतः ऊरु मध्ये तथोत्तानौ पाणि कृत्वा तु तादृशौ नासाग्रे विन्यसे दृष्टिं दन्तमूलं च जिह्वया उत्तोल्य चिबुकं वक्ष उत्थाप्य पवनं शनैः.
You can open your eyes. Now we're going to bring the hands through the legs. As you bring the hands all the way to the elbows, give it a try. Yes, and with the hands flat. Now you're going to balance yourself up and lifting the knees up from the ground into Kukutasana.
Padmasanam susamsthapya janurvorantare karau niveshya bhumavatišthet vyomastha kukkutasanaha.
Everyone tried? Yes? Okay. Next, Baddha Keki Asana. Let's come into the tip of our knees. And bring in the fingertips, pointing back. We're going to bring the elbows into the lower part of the abdomen. And we're going to balance on our hands. And this is Baddha Keki Asana, which is one form of Mayurasana. So you can observe the way as we enter into the asana by bringing the forehead on the ground and stretching the knees behind you, up behind you, and then lifting the head up into Baddha Keki Asana. Everyone start.
Uchchasano dandavaduttitah khe mayurametat pravadanti pitham mayuram padmakam kuryat baddha kekiti kathyate.
And from Baddha Keki Asana, you're going to stretch the legs behind you into Mayurasana.
Atha vakshye mahadeva mayurasanamuttamam bhumau nipatya hastau dvau kurparopari dehakam kurparopari samsthapya sarvadeham sthirashayah kevalam hastayugalam nipatya bhuvi susthiraha.
Everyone tried? Yes? Let's proceed into Makarasana. So lay down on your stomach, bring in the hands, interlacing the hands behind the neck into Makarasana, legs wide apart. Holding the elbows. Bringing the elbows, supporting the head with the elbows as you interlace the hands behind you into Makarasana.
Adhyasya shete hrudayam nidhaya bhumau cha padau cha prasaryamano shirascha dhritva karadanda yugme dehagnikaram makarasanam tat.
And release. Bring the elbows on the ground, forming a lotus with the hands, keeping the chin between the hands into Niralambasana.
Karabhyam pankajam kritva tishthet kurparaya sudhihi mukhamunnamayan uccaihi niralambanamasanam.
And you're going to bring the hands below the shoulders as you lift the legs up behind you into Salabhasana.
Adhyasya shete karayugma vaksho bhumim avashtabhya karayostalabhyam padau cha shunye cha vitasti chordhvam vadanti pitham shalabham munindraha.
Straight legs. Yes, and relax. Now we're going to bring the knees bent, holding the feet behind you as you lift the toes towards the sky into Dhanurasana 2.
Prasarya padau bhuvidandarupau karau cha prishthe dhritapada yugmam kritva dhanustulya vivartitangam nigadya yogi dhanurasanam tat.
Relax. Keep the elbows on the ground, hands by your cheeks, and keep the knees together and bent into Shulasana.
Kurparabhyam avanimavashtabhya hastatalabhyam hanumavashtabhya uttishtet shulasanam bhavati.
And now bring the hands towards the feet behind you and bring the feet towards you as close to you into Ushtrasana.
Shete padayugmam vyastam prishthe nidhayapi dhritam karabhyam akunchayet samyak udarasya gadham ushtrancha pitham yogino vadanti.
And sit up into your knees with the hands on the knees into Bhagasana.
उल्टा मोड़ी पाव दो बैसे बहुरो जुगति करे एक बैसे पावन महिला गुल्फ जो होवु कुला पाखती लावे सोवु रुपिष्टि पग थल्याम की पुनि जोई हाथा सो मोड़े वह जोई ताको जंघनी के ढगिल्यावे तासो तिनकी पिष्टि लगावे.
And let's proceed into the inverted asanas. Okay, now we're going to bring the elbows on the ground. And just to measure the foundation, you're going to touch the elbows. Now interlace the hands in front of you. This is a proper foundation for you, so avoid moving the elbows in any other direction. Keep it just right below the shoulders and interlace the hands. Now you're going to bring the crown of the head onto the ground and you're going to lift the knees. You're going to bring the head on the ground and the knees up. Everyone observe before you try. Now walk the toes towards the head as you stack the hips over the shoulders. So here the hips are on top of the shoulders. You see that? From here, there's no need to jump. Just slightly leaning back, we enter into Gohyasana. Did anyone see any jumping? No jumping, right? Perfect transition. Just knowing the movement, integrity to the body, you're just moving the body slightly and keeping the body close to you. Perfect balance. This is a transition into Gohyasana. Okay, give it a try. Everyone start.
दो हाथ कहुन्या स्योले कलाई हथेली आगुल्या की पिष्टी धरती टेके कलाई जुड़ीवा राशे कलाया की माथिली कानी माथो.
From very good. Yes, very good. Now from here, you're going to stretch the legs all the way up into Shirasasana. Same foundation. So measure the elbows, stretch the hands, interlace the fingers, crown of the head on the ground, bring the hip over the shoulder, and then stretch the legs all the way up. Strong foundation means the forearms are the foundation, not the head so much, the forearms.
विपरीतं मण्डलं च द्विधैव विदितं हिनः दंडासनं द्विधा प्रोक्तं विपरीतोपवेशने सर्वांगशीर्षभागास्तु षट्षष्टिः प्रथितास्तु ते।
Very good. Very good. Allow the body to express its possibilities. Avoid jumping. Just do it with complete awareness, okay? Stacking the hips over the shoulders. Remembering that we are in the breathing space, being hugged by Swamiji's presence. So just again, allow yourself to express and experience Shirsasana. Hip over the shoulder first, and then transition into lifting the legs up. Yes. You tried? All of you tried? Oh, hold only one leg. Only one leg. Awesome. Great. Super. Come back. Next. Vrikshasana 2. Listen carefully. Hands are flat on the ground and the whole body is going to go raise up towards the sky into Vrikshasana 2. You can use the help of your neighbor here, okay, where they can help you with the support of one leg. And for that, I can show you how you can use the help of your neighbor. Hands. No, listen carefully. So you're going to bring the hands on the ground and lifting one leg. And you're going to use your support, so the other person lifts the legs, and allowing her to bring the hip over the shoulder. And when she's ready to come down, she'll bring the leg down. Okay, so you're just as a support. Yes? Good. Okay, so everyone, you can start helping each other into Vrikshasana 2.
Sapta Chakrakshalanaya Vrikshasana Visheshakan.
Yes.
Jananendriyadardhyaya Konabhedan Samabhyaset.
Very good. And the same asana, but gazing at the third eye. Listening, please. Same asana with the gaze towards the third eye is Shibhu Asana. Start.
दो पग मोड़ी माही गुल्फ मिलाई उभौ हो ये दो हाथ जोड़े संपुट करे आकाश दिस सुधो पसारे मस्तक शवाची राशे दृष्टि त्रिकुटी आसन सुतेज बधे.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Super. Very good. You tried? Lift this leg. Awesome. Hip over the shoulders. Gazing at the third eye, Shibhu Asana. Great job. Come back to your mat. Come back to your mat. Come back to your mat. We're going to proceed into Bodhi Asana, where we're going to stretch the legs all the way towards the sky and bringing the hands behind the leg, toes pointing up, and the head towards the legs. Bodhi Asana.
दो हाथ पग बाहर आने गोड़ा तरे कागसी ठाने अंगुष्ठ पिंडली लगता धरे, चरण उभे आकाश दिसी करे, पुष्टिरुकूला धरती लावे, उदर संकोच ऊर्ध्व ठहरावे, गोड़ासी सभी थंबन करे, इहि विधि फोद्यासन धरे.
Hold the elbows behind the knees into Sumati Asana, keeping the right foot over the left.
मूलद्वारि धरती परिठाने, डावा पग परि दक्ष पद आने, डाई पाखती कोले आवे, हाथ एक अंतर ठहरावे, दोऊ येड़ी तेके ऐसे, आड़ो वाई राखो तैसे, फणा जुगम उभा कर राखे, गोड़ा दोऊ उभा राखे.
And to activate the abdominal muscles, we're going to proceed to the next asana, inhaling up. On the exhale, touching the opposite elbows, touching the opposite shoulders, keeping the elbows close to the head. You're going to stretch the legs in front of you, straight into Parigasana.
उत्तानं शयनं कृत्वा पादौ मिलित्वा प्रसार्य, नितंबं भूमौ स्पृष्ट्वा, हस्ताभ्यां कंधरां बद्ध्वा, कुंभकं कृत्वा तिष्ठेत्, परिघासनं भवति.
Relax the elbows at the ground and lifting the legs into 45-degree angle into Naukasana.
उत्तान शयनं कूर्पराभ्यां भूमिमवष्टभ्य, हस्तौ नितंबं निधाय, शिर ऊरु जंघापादान् दंडवद्धारयेत्, नौकासनं भवति.
Get up. How's everyone feeling? Great.